In Miami Gardens, homeowners know the importance of a well-protected and comfortable home. With Florida's mix of year-round heat, humidity, and occasional tropical storms, your home's doors play a vital role in maintaining both safety and comfort. Yet, many homeowners underestimate just how much a professional door replacement can improve the overall performance and peace of mind of their homes. From reducing drafts and energy costs to fortifying your property against intrusions and extreme weather, new professionally installed doors are an investment that enhances every aspect of your living experience. Here's how. A perfect fit for superior insulation and comfort. Miami Gardens residents experience long, warm seasons where air conditioning is essential. Unfortunately, older doors often develop gaps, cracks, or warping that allow cooled air to escape and hot, humid air to enter. This makes your HVAC system work harder, raising your energy bills and decreasing indoor comfort. Professional door replacement ensures that your new door is precisely measured, fitted, and sealed for optimal insulation. Expert installers use advanced techniques to eliminate air leaks and ensure a snug fit within the frame. This prevents unwanted drafts and helps maintain a stable indoor temperature, so your home stays cooler in summer and cozier in winter. By sealing your home properly, you'll immediately notice a difference in comfort while reducing monthly utility costs, a win for both your wallet and the environment. Reinforced protection against intrusions. In addition to comfort, professional door replacement significantly improves home security, a key priority for families in Miami Gardens. Older doors with worn hinges, loose frames, or outdated locks can become easy targets for forced entry. New doors, especially those designed for security, come with reinforced materials such as steel cores, solid wood, or impact-resistant fiberglass. They also feature advanced locking mechanisms, including multi-point systems and heavy-duty deadbolts that make your home far more resistant to break-ins. Professional installers ensure that your new door is properly anchored and that locks, hinges, and strike plates align perfectly. This level of precision strengthens your home's first line of defense, giving you and your family greater peace of mind. Impact-resistant designs for storm safety. Living in South Florida means being prepared for hurricane season. Strong winds and flying debris can pose serious risks to homes in Miami Gardens, especially if entry doors are outdated or weak. Professional door replacement allows homeowners to upgrade to impact-rated doors designed to withstand extreme weather conditions. These doors are constructed with laminated or reinforced glass, heavy-duty frames, and weather-sealed thresholds that protect your home from wind, rain, and storm damage. Beyond safety, impact-resistant doors also reduce noise infiltration and provide superior insulation, benefits you'll appreciate every day, not just during storms. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Miami Gardens is a vibrant community, but nearby traffic, construction, or neighborhood activity can sometimes disrupt indoor tranquility. Professionally installed replacement doors with insulated cores and tight seals act as an acoustic barrier, keeping outside noise to a minimum. The result is a quieter, more peaceful home environment, allowing you to relax and enjoy your living spaces without distractions. Whether you work from home, raise a family, or simply want more serenity, this small improvement makes a big difference in daily comfort. Enhanced curb appeal. With long-lasting materials, a new door doesn't just improve comfort and security, it also transforms your home's appearance. Professional installers help you choose designs that complement your home's architecture, from sleek modern styles to classic, decorative options. Materials like fiberglass and steel are not only stylish but also resistant to rust, moisture, and fading, making them ideal for Miami Gardens' humid climate. A properly installed door will maintain its beauty and durability for years, boosting both curb appeal and property value. The value of professional expertise. While DIY installations might seem tempting, door replacement requires precision. Even a small misalignment can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, or compromised security. Professional installers bring the tools, training, and experience to get the job done right the first time. They assess your home's structure, climate exposure, and design needs before installation, ensuring your new door not only looks perfect but also performs at its best in Miami Gardens environment. Final thoughts: in Miami Gardens, where weather and security are top priorities, professional door replacement offers lasting comfort, protection, and style. By investing in expert installation and quality materials, you can enjoy a cooler, safer, and more beautiful home all year long. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, enhanced security, or modern appeal, a new door, installed by trusted local professionals, is a smart investment that transforms the way your home feels inside and out.